I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned coffee. First, select your favorite coffee beans. A darker roast often works well. Next, brew a strong coffee concentrate using your preferred method, like a French press or cold brew. Aim for a robust flavor that will hold up to dilution. Finally, let this brewed coffee cool completely to room temperature before moving on to the next steps. Now it's time to customize your canned coffee. Add your desired sweetener, like sugar, simple syrup, or a sugar substitute to taste. You can also incorporate flavoring such as vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, or even a dash of cocoa powder for a mocha twist. Make sure to mix all these ingredients thoroughly into the cold coffee until everything is well combined and dissolved. Before canning, it's crucial to prepare your equipment. Sanitize your canning jars and lids properly to prevent spoilage. You can boil them or use a dishwasher's sanitize cycle. Carefully fill the jars with your prepared coffee mixture, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace from the rim. This space is vital for proper sealing. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal. To safely preserve your coffee, process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 15 minutes. Ensure the water covers the jars by at least 1 inch. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. Check for proper seals by pressing the center of the lid. It should not flex. Store your delicious canned coffee in a cool, dark place. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.